What's up, TeamFullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Open Canal. So guys, I am outside in the garden, so if you guys hear kind of noise in the background, please excuse more. I thought today let me just try a different environment, and since the weather is very beautiful, the weather is nice, I thought let me come to the garden and do this unboxing. So today we are going to do an unboxing of the Zalando. So I purchased some boots from Zalando. I do have seasonings when it comes to shoes and clothes. Yeah, there was a period where I really like high heels, but after being a mother of 3 kids, I kind of somehow love my comfortability, because especially when I'm out with the kids, I love something that is very comfortable to work with and easy for me to move around. So this few last months, year, I have been really loving like boots, low shoes. I do have some couple of heels just for in case of that special occasion that I feel like I need to wear some heels. The sun is very shiny, so if the quality is kind of going up and down, please excuse more, but let's just try something new. So I picked up this shoe from Zalando. And how much did I pick up the shoes? Let me check on my Zalando shop list. Yeah, one thing I love about Zalando, they always have discounts. So sometimes they do, but sometimes they don't. And especially if I do love something very much, I don't always wait for discounts. That is my problem. So I pick up this boot. I pick up this boot in size 41, and the size that I picked up is size 41. This boot retails for 250 euros. Yeah, I have picked up the same brand before in the past. Is that in the future? In the past, but this one is a different design, so I decided to pick this one. So let's give it a try. Let's open this box. I love this sound of the opening the box of Zalando. It's just a little bit somehow, I don't know how to explain it, but I love that sound. So one thing I love about Zalando, when you buy stuff from there and you don't like it, you can easily ship it back. It's free shipping. You can easily return when you return the product, and between 14 to 10 working days you get your money back into your account. And I really don't have problem with that. So when you open the box, this is what you get. This is what you get from the Zalando. It's just receipts of my payments and how much I spend, and if I needed to return something, I'll have to use this label to return it back. So yeah, so this is the brand shoe I got. Can you guys see the name? I'll write the name for you guys on the screen so you guys can even see it more better. I'm really excited. This is the second time now that I'm actually picking this shoe from this brand, and it looks beautiful. It looks really beautiful. I really like it. Can't wait. Like, I don't know, this is like my third black boot now, and I love this one. This is so beautiful, and I love the heels. Like, this is what got me. The design is just so beautiful. But this one comes with a zip, so it's more comfortable to walk with, and it's so beautiful. It's leather. This can take you for a very long time. I really do have a bad foot walking outside, so, and I love good quality shoes. I love my shoes to be really good quality. Doesn't matter how much the price is. Sometimes it does, but most of the time it really don't. If I really like it, I'm going for it. That's just me. But I really love this one. It's so beautiful. And this is the other side. The reason why I like to get a size bigger when it comes to boots is because I could wear this one in the winter season. And in the winter season, you're going to definitely wear a more thicker socks. Your socks are going to be a little bit thick. So if I buy exactly my size, then it's going to be very uncomfortable in the winter to wear it with a very thick sock, and to walk outside it's going to be very uncomfortable. So reasons why I always get a size bigger, so that way it's very comfortable to walk with. I'm so in love I love the design. I love how sleek and simple you can actually dress. When it comes to boots and styling, everybody have their own style. I personally, you guys know already the kind of style I'm into. I'm into something very neutral, classy, sexy, and neutral. I'm not really into colorful clothes like pink, the yellow. I do have clothes like that in my wardrobe, but I basically wear that at home. But if I'm going outside, I'm going in an event or a party or something, you would definitely not catch me outside with colorful clothes. I'm always in black, gray, nude, beige, brown, like a neutral color, something that really complements my skin, and also something that looks very simple but at the same time looks very classy. So you can actually dress this down. Oh, the birds are making noise, so please excuse me. You can actually dress it down. You can also dress it up. There's so many ways to style boots. I have an upcoming video coming on 5 different outfits on 5 different style with black, and how to style boots, something with boots. But I have something like that coming up, so stay tuned for that. So this is what the shoes look like. They look so beautiful. So now let's put them on. Let's put this on and see how comfortable it is on the foot. Are you guys ready? So I have my socks on. Let's put this on and walk around the garden and see how it looks. But I know it's gonna look good. I'm already loving it. So yeah, so let's just test this on very quickly. Wow, this looks so good. It's very nice. Just get the slippers out of the way. Yes, I love it. Oh, it feels so good. It's not really tight. Even though I don't have a thick socks. Some shoes they have, every brand or every designer have like a different type of sizing. There are some shoes when you buy it in size 40, it doesn't really fit because it feels really small, and this one is size 41. But if I can be honest with you, it feels like it is size 40. It is a little bit on the tighter side, exactly my size. Not uncomfortable to walk with, but I'm just wondering if I put this on with a very thick socks, is it going to work? That's my problem right now. But so far it's good. I love it. It's just, I love how comfortable it looks, it feels, and it looks really nice. I love the design. I love the, oh, before I fell down, I love the design. I love this. I love the heels. I love how it looks. It just looks so beautiful. So guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment box, yeah? And if you guys have any questions, please don't forget to leave them in the comment box. Some of you guys can also send me a message on Instagram. You guys know my Instagram handles. Everything is in the description box. I'll try my best to leave the link of these boots and also in the description box. So every information that you guys need will be in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, on my Facebook like page. All necessary informations are in the description box. So let me know what you guys think. I really like to know your opinion. Do you guys like boots, or you guys be like, nah, I just keep it classy and stay with the heels? I love heels, but you know, not always. So thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. Team Fullest, peace out, bye.